everyone, my name is MJ. Welcome back to Learn Fun English. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of shadowing, a technique that'll supercharge your English speaking skills. Join me as I shadow a story, breaking down the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation, all so you can follow along and improve your fluency. Ready to speak like a native? Let's get started.
My name is Sam. My name is Sam. I am a university student. I am a university student. I study every day. I study every day. And I need to eat well to have energy. And I need to eat well to have energy. Today, after class, I go to the grocery store. I go to the grocery store. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. But I am happy. But I am happy. At home, I make a shopping list. At home, I make a shopping list. On my list, I write. On my list, I write bread, milk, rice, and pasta. Bread, milk, rice, and pasta. I put my wallet and a pen in my pocket. I put my wallet and a pen in my pocket and leave for the store. And leave for the store. When I arrive, I take a grocery cart. I take a grocery cart and push it down the aisles. And push it down the aisles. I look around and shop for the best prices. I look around and shop for the best prices. I check the price tags on the milk. I check the price tags on the milk, the bread, the pasta, and the rice. The bread, the pasta, and the rice. I decide to stock up on rice and pasta for my meals this week. I decide to stock up on rice and pasta for my meals this week. Buying in bulk helps me save money. Buying in bulk helps me save money. And that is good. And that is good because I also need money for my school projects. Because I also need money for my school projects. At the cash register, The cashier smiles and says hello. The cashier smiles and says hello. I wait in the checkout line. I wait in the checkout line with two other customers. With two other customers. When it is my turn, when it is my turn, I pay and put my food in bags. I pay and put my food in bags. I think to myself. I think to myself. If I run out of rice tonight, if I run out of rice tonight, I can cook pasta in a pinch. I can cook pasta in a pinch. Now I have all the food I need. Now I have all the food I need. I put my bags in my backpack. I put my bags in my backpack. The bag feels heavy. The bag feels heavy. But I feel happy. But I feel happy and ready for the week. And ready for the week.